Welcome to Module 3, Product Ideas. In this video, we're going to go over how to find product ideas. I know a lot of you don't know what you're going to be launching, but in this module, we're going to show you how to find products and validate those product ideas. One way to come up with product ideas is through the touch test. You can make a list of all the things you touch and see throughout the day. And this is especially useful if you have unique hobbies or interests, because the riches are in the niches. And if you have unique hobbies or interests, there's things that you're going to know about that the average person is not going to know about. In those niches, there could be demand for that product. Another way to find product ideas is to go on crowdfunding platforms like Indiegogo and Kickstarter. If you find products that are being backed by people, it means that there's a demand for this product. So look at the numbers and see how much people are willing to put money for a single product. And if it's a good product, it's innovative, typically these brands don't sell on Amazon. So you can make something very similar and sell it on Amazon. Again, guys, we do have to validate the product, and there is a process. We'll go through that in future lessons, but it's definitely a good place to start. Another method for finding product ideas is using AliExpress or Alibaba.com. On AliExpress, you can see the amount of orders a single product has gotten, which means that product is high in demand. And on Alibaba and AliExpress, they have new and innovative products. I mean, most of the world's products are made in China, and both of these websites have mostly Chinese suppliers on them. And if you go on their websites and just search for specific products, sometimes you can find new and innovative products that you can launch. Another great way to find product ideas is through Etsy. Etsy has a marketplace insights section where you can see the trends of products and what people are searching for. So it's a great place to get insights on what's trending up. And you can also browse Etsy to see what products are on Etsy that are selling well that aren't on Amazon. Helium 10 Black Box and Jungle Scout Opportunity Finder are softwares that we're going to be using throughout this program. Now, these softwares are both very similar, so you don't need Helium 10 and Jungle Scout. You just need to pick one, and you can do your own research and pick the one you like. We're going to have discount codes for both of these in the master resource document, so make sure you sign up through the link in the master resource document. And what these softwares can do is they have a product research tool where you can put in criteria of what you're looking for, and it'll spit back products or keywords that meet the criteria you're looking for. And we're going to have a full walkthrough in the next video, so you can watch that to see how we do it in full detail. Going down the Amazon rabbit hole is another great way to find product ideas. There's so many sections that you can look at, like the seller storefronts, best sellers, movers and shakers, new releases, gift ideas, and most wished for. And we do have a full video walkthrough on how you can do this, so you make sure you watch that video. Now, a lot of you are not going to have access to Amazon brand registry, but once you do get your trademark and become brand registered, you're going to have access to what Amazon thinks their customers want on the Amazon platform. So it's just another way to try to find winning product, but you still need to validate the product ideas using the methods we teach you in this course. Now that I've shown you a number of ways to find new product ideas, you want to start getting familiar with these methods and get your creative juices flowing. You want to write down the product ideas you come across and anything that piques your interest. Put them all into the product research sheet, and during the remainder of the module, we're going to show you what steps to take next.